See these cool effects on images? That's a transparent gradient text effect, and today I will show you how to create it easily in Canva. By the end of this video, you will be able to use this trick to make your text stand out and give your project a modern, eye-catching look. From here, you can upload your own photo from Uploads tab, or you can use royalty-free images from Photos tab. So I'm going to use royalty-free images for this tutorial. Click on Photos and you can search anything you want. I'm going to search wrapper and select image you want. I'm going to select this one. Now you have to duplicate this image. Right click on this and click on duplicate, or you can use Ctrl D to duplicate, shortcut key. Now remove background from this image. Click on VG remover to remove background. It's removed. Now increase the size of this and fill the background. Now add some text here. Go to text tab. Click on add a heading. Write any text you want. Change the font. I'm going to select this League Spartan. And you can increase the letter spacing between here, from here, like this, and increase the size. Change the color of this text. Select the text color, and select this orange color. Now click on this image, right click on this image, layer, and click on bring forward. Now align this image on top of the background image. Resize this. Yes, and it's still not aligned properly. I think it's aligned. You can check it by reducing transparency. Now I think it's aligned properly. Increase the transparency. Now duplicate this text first. Press Ctrl and click to select the text and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Now change the font color. Select color and white and go to effect again and click on hollow effect and reduce the thickness and align this image to this text on top of this text. So that's how you can create transparent gradient text effect in Canva. Try this trick in your own design and make your text stand out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. See you in the next one.